Idan ka san kana overtrading, wannan abubuwan da zan gaya maka guda uku za su yi reshaping trading psychology ɗinka. One is maximum of 2 trades in a day. No matter what, no matter duk abin da zai faru, trade guda biyun nan za ka yi placing a rana. Ya zama maka ma trade guda ɗaya za ka yi placing. Idan ka yi trade guda ɗaya, no matter what, ka ƙara wani ko me zai faru, immediately kana placing trade ɗin nan, place your stop loss and take profit. Kawai ka ajiye wayan nan, idan after minutes sai ka dinga dubawa, amma immediately kana looking at your screen again, dole your psychology will put you back in the trade ka adding position. But 2 is no confirmation, no entry. No matter what, ko me zai faru, the moment ka ga you don't have any confirmation a cikin market that will give you a signal da za ka shiga market, no matter what, kar ka shiga, saboda immediately ka shiga with no confirmation, that will trigger your psychology ka dinga having bad abubuwa overcoming abubuwa da yawa. Number three is always trade with the trend, saboda the trend is your friend. No matter what, idan ka going against the trend, za ka samu mugun issues din. Saboda idan market is moving bullish, idan bai baka signal din cewa a change of character that the market is reversing ba, so if you enter for short thinking that market din zai daga nan zuwa nan gurin, to this market is unpredictable. Market will wipe you out immediately. Yes, you always have to trade with the trend. And ga bonus, no matter what, ka dinga ignoring setups in wasu, saboda kowa has his different type of trading style. When he is going bullish, when he is going bearish, no matter what, just trust yourself and do what's needful. Kawai idan ka yi analysis ɗinka, don't look at someone's analysis.